We're making mac and cheese today. You know why? Because I haven't gained enough weight during quarantine, so let's really pack on the cream. It's mac and cheese Thanksgiving style. Jason, you excited?
Yes.
If you haven't noticed, I'm on a diet. Got bacon, 5 different kinds of cheese. We have milk. We have butter. I think the only healthy thing we have here is the chili flakes, garlic, and the parsley, but when in Rome, do as the Romans do, right? So, you're gonna boil your water as you prepare things. Now, set that on fire.
You better stop!
Now, you want your pasta water as salty as the sea. Ooh, you are really close. I'm a 36-year-old gay man.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart cause they're not gay.
There we go, salty. All right, follow me, come on. Yes, now we're talking. Freshly chopped bacon.
Bacon.
All right, I do know that I'm gonna need 3 cups of milk at some point, so let's just do that now. Now, we'll open up our elbow. That's how you say hi to people now. You give them the elbow. Woo! Mom, sorry. Sorry, Mom. Gonna add our garlic and our chili flakes. You take your panko breadcrumbs, 2 cups. These panko breadcrumbs are soaking up all of that fat. All right, put your little mixture that you're gonna like. 3 tablespoons of butter. 3 tablespoons of flour. You want this to get nice, combined, nice little thick paste. Okay, now 3 cups of milk.
Whoa!
Don't be scared, Jason.
It's a splash zone over here.
All right, come on, stir it gently. Turn the heat down to medium. You do this for about 5 minutes. Let it all cook together, and then you add your cheese. Pasta, this is like 7 to 9 minutes, but you want to take it out 2-3 minutes before, or like 3 minutes. Because it's gonna cook some more in the sauce, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. We'll see you in 5 minutes. All right, time to add your cheese. Take my 1 cup of American, 1 cup of mozzarella, cheddar, and our Gruyere, and then finish off with the cheese from the homeland, Parmigiano. All right, mix in. This will take another 5 minutes to thicken. Oh, look at that.
That's what good sounds like.
Fold your noodles in. Ah, gorgeous. Okay, black pepper. Now, remember what I said this is gonna come in handy? Your panko, bacon, garlic, parsley mixture. This is an art. Panko crust. Come on, come on. Then I finish it off. Some people were like, this is stupid, but no. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. A little smoked paprika. This is gonna go in your oven, 400 degrees, 6 minutes. The noodles are basically already cooked. It's just to have all of this kind of blend into each other. Go to your new home. It's like a deep dish macaroni and cheese love skillet. Courtesy of Bobby Boy Living, okay? Putting on my timer. Just enough time to make a cocktail. Ooh, so this reminds me of favorite movie of all time is Home Alone, right? And he sits down at that gorgeous table showing how rich they are. And he pops in the Stouffer's macaroni and cheese. He sits down, everything's all plated and gorgeous, maybe China looking like this. He's like, just for me, right? And that was the cheese pizza. Either way, he didn't get to eat it. Today, I think he would up his version of the macaroni and cheese, right? It wouldn't just be Stouffer's. It would be what I made you today. Oh, look at that. Come on. Jason, you ready? You see how it's all still gooey and sticking together? Yep. Holy crap. This is so good. The last time I made macaroni and cheese with the cauliflower one, which was great, it had no carbs. This has a lot of carbs. Oh my God, it's so good. Nothing's gonna beat this. You pair this with a nice dry Chardonnay, or maybe even a beer. That's so good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed yourself, like, comment, subscribe. I mean, hello, we gotta get that cookbook out next year, and ring the bell for notifications so you can see the next thing that we do. Thank you guys for all of the support. Until next time, I might look a little different next time you see me. Bye.